Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the effect of exercises on immunity. Okay, so everybody know that exercise is a potent means of reducing the risk of non-communicable diseases and other chronic inflammatory disorder. And many evidence also show that the exercises diminishes the risk of contracting a range of communicable diseases including the viral and bacterial infection. Okay, so in contrast to the widely accepted long-term health benefits that are achieved by regular exercises, which imply that immune competency and regulation are improved by frequent exercises bout. Okay, also and exercise activates the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis and also influence the number, function and movement of lymphoid cells. So today we will discuss about the all the immunological process happens due to the exercises. Okay, so the first the neutrophils concentration increases during and after the exercises. Okay, and the lymphocytes concentration also increases during the exercises and fall below pre-exercise value after the exercises. Okay, so after exercises more pronounced decrease in type 1 T cells. Okay, and its function for type 1 T cell function is protection against intracellular organism, which increases the sensitivity to infection. Okay, so moderate exercises boost neutrophilic functions, basically the chemotaxis and phagocytosis functions, but intense exercises reduce these functions. Okay, so after heavy exercise, there is a decrease in the circulating number of lymphocytes, lead to temporarily impaired in immune system. Okay, then high intensity of exercises influences number of factors that trigger lymphocyte apoptosis. Okay, and then muscle contractions increases cytokines, means the functions of cytokine, it's communicate with the neighboring cells to initiate the immune response and have a effects on metabolism like insulin sensitivity and glycemic control. And also heavy exercise increases the concentrations of the epinephrine, norepinephrine and growth hormone glucocorticoids. Okay, and everybody know that glucocorticoid functions is to reduce the inflammations. Okay, then the next function is regular exercises reduce the CRP level and has anti-inflammatory effect as it increases the actions of endogenous oxidant and decreases concentrations of inflammatory cytokines. Okay, the next effect is regular exercises offer protection against chronic diseases associated with chronic, chronically elevated level of reactive oxygen species. So exercises make you feel healthier and more energetic. So it can help you to feel better about yourself. So go ahead, do exercise regularly, stay fit always. Okay, and you will feel better and healthier for it. So thank you.